All right, so what is Arvow and how will it help you and your business grow and improve? Well, let me show you right now. So Arvow is your all-in-one SEO and business growth tool. It has a lot of features to help you do just that. So if you're looking to rank higher, rank number one, you can do that with Arvow. If you're looking to get shown more in search results faster, whether that be Google or AI search, AI mode, ChatGPT, Perplexity, this tool will help you do that. And it'll also help you increase traffic and business growth through several features. So let me start with the first benefit or the first feature of this tool, which is kind of the staple of getting shown more and ranking higher. It all starts with content creation and automation. That is really king and that is really key. So you can create SEO optimized content and automate it with this tool, because a lot of people can create content, but it's not SEO optimized. That's where the rubber meets the road, and that's how you really get to get shown more and get a lot more traffic. So it starts with keywords. Keywords where you can build content around specific keywords that you want to rank for, whether it's your competition that are ranking for specific keywords or new keywords, whatever the case may be, you can build content around keywords and keyword structures. Now, Arvow also allows you to be able to create your own keyword feed. So you can go in here and you can create a feed of keywords. So this makes it a lot easier to be able to do. So we can do a keyword feed where I can put my own URL in, I can put keyword seeds in here, and then I can put competitors, and it'll generate keywords that I can build content around. So that makes it a lot easier. The second step is, of course, the content itself. So creating the blogs, creating the content that uses these keywords that we want to rank for. And the blogs are SEO optimized. So they'll include alt text images, they'll include internal links, external links, they'll include meta descriptions, all the things that are important when it comes to creating content that you actually want to rank for. So if we go in here, I can show you the types of articles that this thing actually creates that are structured in a way to get more traffic, to get more sales. So if we go into one of these articles, you can see this is how it looks on the front end. AI image with alt text, table of contents, takeaways, internal links, external links, YouTube videos, all the things that really will help this rank and create a lot more authority and lower bounce rates, because it's very usable, very engaged articles. But we can click into it and kind of see the back end SEO structure that this program goes through. Meta description, H2, H3, headings, here's the links, here's the YouTube videos. But you can use AI to actually go in and further edit these articles. So I can ask AI to rewrite this thing, make longer, make shorter. I can also go over to this AI assistant and be like, add 2 more pictures, add 3 more paragraphs based on this. So fully editable, optimizable articles, but out of the box, you don't really need to even edit these too much. So that is key. Blog articles and with internal links, external links, all the things that really matter from an SEO standpoint. The next thing is indexing. So Arvow will automatically, once you release these blog articles, once you have this set up, it'll automatically send these to Google to be indexed, which makes this really, really nice. And because once they're indexed, you have a lot higher probability of getting that information shown in search engines, getting found and getting seen. The next thing that it allows you to do, like I said, is be able to automate your blogs. So this can be set up in a way where you can fully automate your blogs, where you don't have to do anything once you have it set up. So you can create an auto blog. You can just name your campaign and basically turn the auto blog on. It has full automation mode, which from the feed, it'll generate and publish the articles to your website automatically. There's a couple of automation modes, but you can see here that you can integrate with any website. Here's all the integrations, which makes this really, really easy and really, really nice. The other thing that you can do is publish this automatically to social media. So not only can you automatically publish this to your website, you can automatically publish to social media, thus improving the backlinks back to your website and improving the authority and improving the social proof. So if you go here, you can see social media automation. You can click in and add and create your own social media automation. So that is really a game changer. So it starts with content. Content is king, and this creates really valuable, really engaged content that your audience is going to find and love. The next thing that this does is SEO site optimization. So with this program, you can link it to your website. It'll analyze your entire website. It'll analyze your meta descriptions, your page titles, your alt text, all the things, and let you know exactly what you need to fix. So if I hop back over to Arvow, I go under Site Optimizers right here. Here's a couple of previously ones that we have set up. So let me just pop in here and I'll show you. See, it analyzes page titles, current title, suggested title. But the nice thing about this is it shows you why. It'll teach you why you need to change it. And then you can click to apply, or you can click all these and apply these all at once. So it does chronological URLs, image alt text, which a lot of people miss this. So this is good from an audit perspective. Internal links, FAQ schema, article schema. So all this stuff, you can analyze your entire website and optimize it for SEO so you can get shown a lot more often. So that is a game changer in itself. Last, but certainly not least, is lead generation. You can build out interactive leads. So normally you would have to create opt-in page, create a thank you page, and then you would have to build out an email sequence. Well, this allows you to create, with a couple of clicks, a lead magnet that's interactive that you can embed inside your web pages or inside the blog pages to create leads on the fly. All right, so we can go down to the lead magnets, and you can create as many of these as you want. Here's one that we created for a realtor, basically helping people decide what their budget is for a house. All they would need to do is go in here and enter the amount of their budget, click this, and it'll tell them, give them a detailed explanation of what they can afford. Again, you can create whatever you want. You just tell the AI what you want them to generate, and then you would go and take this embed code and embed it inside the blogs, inside your web pages. And then the nice thing about this is once someone submits their information, it'll then ask them to sign up for the email. So it's giving them value through the blog itself, giving them value through this interactive lead magnet, and then asking them if they would like to submit their information. So they're more apt to submit their information because they have the know, like, and trust. You built that authority, you built that trust with them. And then once it gets their email, it'll have a CSV file which you can export to your email CRM and then build your business that way. So leads are super valuable. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to use this to generate tons of free leads without running ads. This makes it a real game changer for your business. So these are the three main ways to be able to drive your business forward through SEO and through business growth. Now, there's a lot of companies already using Arvow. Here's a couple of case studies. Well, actually, there's a bunch of case studies, which you can kind of go in and see. This business went from 0 to 1,600 searches a month. I mean, look at that growth. 0 growth to an explosion in growth. You can see this one is a 300% traffic increase, almost hockey stick growth with using this platform. And you can see exactly how they executed it, how they did it, but it's all based on what I just showed you. The fundamental things of creating the amazing blog articles, the amazing content, sharing it out wherever you can share it out, and then using it to optimize your site, and then also generate leads to drive your business forward. So here's another one. I'm going to leave you with this one. They went from 0 to 12,500 in traffic in 60 days. I mean, look at this growth just by using the strategies that I already laid out for you and using Arvow, the tool that is multifaceted that you can use to grow your business. So check it out. There is a free trial. Integrate it with your business. Get ahead of your competition immediately. Get shown more in search and get ranked higher a lot faster. You're not going to regret trying this thing out.